Yeah, what's up? It's your boy K-Prop back at you one more time, just to hit you off with a quick little 5 minute video that's gonna say, "Hey, you can change the world." You heard? All right, what's up? But before I start, I gotta say one thing. I hate niggas. You heard me? Motherfuckers get on my nerve. Don't know how to do shit. Ain't good for nothing. They always got a lie to tell you. Heard? Fuck out of here. Yeah, they ain't about shit. You know what I mean? But hey, now this the $5 nigga. $5 nigga. Whew, he's rough too. You know what I mean? $5. He want to ride across town and back. He want, let's say, a 40 in the short. He want $5 on the loud. You know what I mean? They ain't never got correct though. Just $5. $5 get everything I need done. You heard? 4 wings and fried rice. You know what I'm talking about? Oh snap, oh snap. This is for the big boys, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about? The big boys. This is where we hang out at. You know what I mean? If you ain't got D's in your pockets, you know what I'm saying? You can't come around us. We don't play that. You know what I'm saying? Fuck, we look like riding around in Maseratis, you know what I'm saying? They ain't got no bread to spend. You know what I'm talking about? Looking for your people to look out for you when you rolling up in some $50,000 whips and shit. Y'all niggas don't know nothing about that. Y'all don't know nothing about no cool for no style. You know what I'm saying? Finesse, you know what I mean? Walking in the spot looking like $1,000,000, chilling like, huh? You know what I'm talking about? Y'all niggas don't even got the personality to fit the description. Jump up in that hot shit, acting stupid, no style, no finesse, no nothing. You know what I mean? Nigga. Acting like a nigga up in the Maserati. You know what I mean? Broke as fuck. Get the fuck out of here. You know what I'm talking about? Not me, not my people. You know what I'm saying? We get to it. You know what I mean? We make it happen. This is what we talk about. We ain't got time for excuses. Ain't nobody hungry around us. You talking about? All right, here we go. I'm gonna stop playing with y'all. You know what I mean? I'm about to give you this information about this special appearance. You know what I mean? This is the paperwork. I don't feel like typing right now. So, you know what I mean? Deal with me. I don't feel like typing. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to read it to you. And I just faxed this in yesterday because I was supposed to go to court Tuesday. But, you know, I'm free man status. I'm a real living man. And I don't believe in going into those courthouses because that's a place of fictitious existence. They don't exist to me. It's a figment of my imagination. Understand Trinity versus Pelagio. You heard? All right? I just dropped the key for you. You know what I'm saying? Free of charge, of course. You know, I ain't trying to make no money off this shit. I just want to live free and get you to live free with me so we can hang out and just travel this world how we travel. You know what I'm talking about? All right, so here we go. I'm just going to read this shit to you because I don't feel like, you know what I'm saying? I don't really feel like doing all this typing right now because, you know what I mean? I typed it out on the laptop instead of my Mac and now I just can't, you know what I mean, copy and paste. So, you know what I mean? And I don't feel like emailing myself and getting it edited, all that shit. So it's just easier for me to read. All right? So with that being said, I'm saying I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go over here and make this a little bigger because you know I don't feel like I don't want to put my glasses on. You know what I mean? I don't want to put my glasses. I know y'all say, why you never take the tag off? Why you never take the tag off? Like I tell my people, if I wanted advice, I go to Google. You heard? But here we go. Let the record reflect that matter of fact, I'm saying, where the camera? Okay, I'm gonna put it right in front of me so I can act like. Matter of fact, you know what I'm saying? I'll be back. Hold that thought. I'm about to put you. James B. Nutter versus Howard Stelmacher, ETAL, Judicial District of New Haven, September 4th, 2018. Motion to Motion for a special appearance to challenge the validity of the note. Let the record reflect that I, Tor English of the Stelmacher Moss clan, making a special appearance under propria persona non general, Sir Juris, to challenge the standing of the jurisdiction of the court, subject matter jurisdiction, the attorney's standing, the validity of the note, and ask King for a copy of James B. Nutter consideration for the record. Let the record reflect that Howard R. Stelmacher gave the actual cash value to fund the reverse mortgage bank loan check. It is my belief that the attorney for James B. Nutter are attempting to rob me of my birthright inheritance through fraud and deception with misleading evidence without a sworn complaint from an injured party. Can the court have the attorney present his injured party for the record? Yes? No. Then we move to have the case and this civil action dismissed on the grounds of lack of an injured party with no injured party present. Does the attorney have first-hand knowledge? An attorney for the plaintiff cannot admit evidence into the court. He is either an attorney or a witness. Trinley versus Pelagio, DCPA 1964, 229F, SUPP, period 647. You know what I mean? That's case law. You know what I'm saying? For people that, you know what I'm saying, don't really want to, you know what I'm saying, put up no fights. You know what I'm talking about? But you know what I mean? This is what you got to do. You got to study, you got to research, and you got to, you know what I'm saying, enforce. You know what I'm saying? Your standing so you can protect your birthright inheritance. That's all I'm doing. Protect your birthright inheritance. All right, now let's get back to it. That's, you know what I'm saying, Trinley versus Pelagio. Does James B. Nutter have a license to do business in Connecticut? Let the record reflect that the summons was left on the property, and I comprehend that statutory code states that summons left on property is considered served. However, property don't have the ability to respond to acquiescence. Let the record reflect that Howard R. Stelmarker was confined to one of three places at the time of the serving of the summons: Yale New Haven Hospital, Chapel Street, or Yale New Haven, Church Street, or, you know what I'm saying, Grimes Rehab, New Haven, Connecticut. For the record, I am Tor English of the family Moss/Stelmarker on the summons listed as Papadopoulos LLC. That is how I was notified of this said suit. From the filing of the UCC financial statement filed with the Secretary of State, it would be dishonorable to grant a motion for strict sale foreclosure without due process and equal protection of the law on the grounds of acquiescence. I am, as king, if this court is allowing the attorney in said suit to scout out properties and steal them through acquiescence. This can open up a ground of commercial tort, yes? So we move to have the attorney stricken from the record and call on to his injured party to be sworn under affirmation of penalties of perjury to have the case dismissed without the authorization of a secured party to accept the value in return for discharge in the contract Admiralty Maritime Court. Connecticut Practice Book 10-11, the impleading of a third party, gives me the judicial system, you know what I'm saying, lets me know the judicial system has a correct way to allow me to discharge debt through public law, and it would be fraud to attempt to discharge debt with fiat that belongs to the Federal Reserve Revenue Services, IRS. So public law allows me to authorize the discharging of debt with public law 7310, 48, 48, 112, use it, and return to me all interests and titles that belong to the Howard R. Stelmarker estate and clan through birthright inheritance. Then collapse the ward of the state, status called Sester Key. Let the record reflect I am, as king, accepting your offer for value and returning it for value for discharging of the debt, authorizing you to grant the permission needed to settle all debts and court costs and attorney fees that encompasses the Howard Raymond Stelmarker estate. It would be a violation of several Title 18 codes as well as due process, equal protection of the law, with mail fraud included. Executive Order 6102 is a remedy for the people, and I am, as king, to reclaim my sovereignty, status granted by all law, the Most High. You know what I mean? Now this is your boy, you know what I'm saying, your boy, King Prop. I have to keep telling y'all niggas, stop playing with these people, get your head in order, get your right, you know what I'm saying, get your life right, and get your money back. You heard? That's what I'm working on. If you ain't talking about that, then you ain't talking about nothing. Beat it with that. You know what I mean? Put an egg in your shoe and all that. You heard? But hey, free information, just trying to put you on to this information. Is not legal advice. It's just the circumstances that I'm in, and I'm sharing my information. You know what I mean? How I handle my situation. How I, you know what I'm saying, handle my situation that got me still sitting in my house since 2015 without giving them no property taxes, without giving them no water pollution. See, the problem is you people like to claim things, you know what I mean? And I don't want to claim nothing. Ain't nothing mine. I was born naked, so I'm going to die naked. So why am I going to sit here and act like anything that was here before I got here belonged to me? You know what I mean? Not even, not even the money is real. The money that we're using, that's just a piece of paper that got colors on it and designs and buildings. Matter of fact, it ain't nothing but a kite for the elite to let them know how to handle the business. You know what I'm saying? All the symbolism on the dollar bills when you fold it up shows you what's going on in the world today as you see it. So it ain't no by coincidence. I don't believe in coincidence. You know what I mean? You want to believe in them. You know what I'm saying? I believe my eyes and you believe they lies. And I'm going to leave it at that. It's your boy, King Prop. One. Peace.